Right, so here's a little update on the Evo 6 rally car I'm doing. So you can see I've cut the inner wing off, chassis leg. I've started to clean it up now. And on the near side, we've had to really pull this leg. This was pulled right over to the into the middle of the car. So that's it roughly straight there. And that panel sitting there is actually, I chopped the front end off the donor car. You can see the donor shell on the left hand side. That blue car is a Mitsubishi Evo 6 as well. So I basically have chopped the front end off. I've used the chassis leg, front panel, cross member, and it's already been in the sandblaster. So we've got a sandblaster cabinet there, so it's all been sandblasted. I've removed the engine mount there. That'll go back on top. Um, so you can see how much I've removed of the front end. But that's it all straightened now. That's its bumper. We've got a few spare bumpers, so that's the one I was using. We've got a couple of fiberglass wings sitting in there as well, so they fit really nice actually. Very difficult to get parts for this car now, so fiberglass wings will have to do. They're lighter weight anyway, and they look good. So, and there's the new headlights and indicators. So I've basically, it's all been bolted up together. Everything lines up. Wing gaps are good, door gaps are good. The only panel we don't have so far is the bonnet, but we do have new bonnet hinges on the blue one, and I've hammered the old bonnet roughly into shape. It's an alloy bonnet. It's absolutely knackered, but oh, it's stopped. We'll just move it back while we refresh it for you. Um, so it actually fits in the gap. So yeah, it's all good. We are getting there. We're definitely getting somewhere. So by the time I've made this video, that front panel is welded on. Um, so I'll make another video once it's all in one piece, and a coat of primer maybe and some paint or stuff. So this is just a little update to say this is the state it's in, engine out, all that good stuff. So yep, we're getting there slowly but surely.